This is 4E part 1, where you are asked to create a menu that will be used to navigate the system. Now, if you're doing this before some of the earlier parts of the task, then you'll be thinking, oh, I wonder how I get these buttons to work when I haven't got, say, a new reservation form. Well, they don't need to work, because this is the evidence that you have to show, just a printout. And you'll only have to show annotated evidence to explain how the button to open the reservations form was produced. So here it is. Click on room reservations, it opens the room reservations. Click on deposit reminder, it opens the deposit reminder. So what we need to do now is look at how we go about creating the menu. So what I did is I took the one of the other forms that I'd done, which is a new reservation form, and copied and pasted it, but we can just start from scratch. And so we would go create form design, set the background color, put the text in, put the logo in, put the instructions in, and then put the buttons in. As I say, only one of those buttons, which is the room reservations, needs to work. Form operations, open form, and that was room reservations. Now what we need to do is make sure that it doesn't just say open form, but says room reservations. And then we go about doing similar things to the other buttons. So the deposit reminder will be a report, but remember, it doesn't have to work. So actually you could just copy and paste that and change the text on it, or just put in a rectangle. If I just click on cancel, I can just change the text on that, and that can be my next button. But if you do want them to work, then the report one would be report, print report, although you might want to choose preview report so it doesn't print it. And the one to exit the software will be application, quit application. And remember, change it so that it's not got the pictures, but put some text in instead for each of these. And then you just take a screenshot of what you've done. And now you'll notice I've left a gap there, and that's because if you read further on in the question, when it comes to the archive routine, you're asked to explain how the button was created and set to invoke it. So it's clearly saying that there needs to be evidence of another button that's going to go into this menu at a later stage.